Please.
Yeah, very good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Yeah, what about you, man?
Yeah, I'm also doing well. Thank you for asking. So, Tejvi, we are meeting first time. So, would you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, my name is Tejveer Singh, and I'm connecting from Panchkula, Haryana, near Chandigarh, and basically belong to UP Mathura. And if I tell you what my family background, uh, I'm married person. I have two kids. And if I tell you what my education qualification, I have done graduation in computer application. And if I tell you what my hobbies are listen to music, watching movies, gardening, and traveling. That's all about me.
Yeah, that's great. Hear about started a series. I have started a series for those who are just thinking about learning English, but they are not able to take first step towards their learning English. So my question is that when did you think about learning English, and how did you start your journey towards learning English?
Uh, okay, I have joined this platform just 5 months ago when I decided to learn English speaking, and somewhere I was lacking speaking environment, and I was not able to speak with anyone. So when I saw a video on YouTube, then of Tanya Singh ma'am, she's from Jaipur, and then I comment in her video, and she got me joined later to this. She introduced me to this platform, and since then I'm working on it and practicing daily. Yeah, this is my journey.
Yeah, that's great. So, what was the first step towards learning English? That did you start with grammar, or did you start with listening, or learning sentence structure? So, how did you start your speaking journey?
Actually, yeah, I'm aware of English since my graduation. Uh, I have completed my all graduation in 2009, and I was medium was in English. Graduation medium was in English. So, but due to the lack of environment, English speaking environment, I was not able to speak. And but somewhere I was watching movies and English content, and uh, that's how I. And nowadays, I'm also watching listening a lot of content, English content, and watching English movies, and following good channels for English grammar. And I also watch English news channel. Yeah, that's all I'm doing right now.
Yeah, that's amazing. That listening English is also must, because I can say that it is must before speaking. Because if you will input some content, English content into you, then you can able to speak English. So that is the best thing, that you are watching and you are listening. And tell me something about your vocabulary, because it plays a vital role while we are speaking in English. So if we don't have sufficient vocabulary, sufficient words, so we can't speak properly. So how do you learn vocabulary, and how do you use that vocabulary in your communication skills?
Yeah, if I tell you about my vocabulary, then whenever I watch any video and find any good word, new word, then I note down in my diary, and in my next conversation with someone, then I try to use that word, and yeah, that's all I'm doing.
Yeah, because vocabulary is also a must. We know the vocabulary as well, because we have studied in like English medium or any medium. So there is only one subject in English. So we know the grammar, or we know the vocabulary words, but we have to change our basic vocabulary in advanced or intermediate. Like we can learn synonyms, those words. Like if we have a word that good, or like beautiful, if we have word beautiful, so we can change with gorgeous, amiable, or elegant. So many words are there, so we can at least
yeah,
learn two vocabulary words. So in this way, we can enhance or we can improve our vocabulary as well. Okay, that's great. So tell me one thing more that about pronunciation, because it also plays a vital role. Our pronunciation earlier it was not like that, but nowadays pronunciation plays vital role. That okay, your pronunciation should be correct.
yeah, yeah. For pronunciation, I'm not doing anything special, but uh, as I watch any video or I'm watching any movies, then what's are with subtitles. So I also keep I also keep focus during watching and also try to listen carefully and carefully pronouncing what they are pronouncing words. So that is
Yeah, that's true because we were accustomed to or we used to speak like a plumber, and nowadays plumber is not a right pronunciation. That is plumber. So these are the things that restaurants nowadays restaurant. So
restaurant.
yeah, like everything is like that. But the thing is that nowadays what is happening that British or American English, it is there like schedule. So schedule, both are okay. Often both are okay. But we are little bit baffled. What should we speak like a schedule or schedule? But we should know that what how we can pronounce it. So these are the all the things. Okay, so
Yeah,
Tejveer, now you can ask me. Yeah.
yeah, you are right, ma'am. You are right. In India, we are following two accent,
Yeah.
British and American accent. That's why we are having problem, this kind of problem, because both accent are different to each other. So you are right.
True. Totally different.
Yeah, important. And nowadays, a lot of group, WhatsApp groups and Skype group are available, and you can
Yeah.
join them. Yeah, and in the during your initial phase, you can watch a lot of good content over YouTube
Yes.
related to this speaking. So uh, all this a beginner must do.
Yeah.
Yeah,
At least they can watch cartoons in English. Nowadays, like on YouTube, you can watch cartoons in English. At least you can understand the concept that how they are speaking. So from there, you can pick up few lines that okay, if I'll speak, so I will speak like this. And there is also environment that you can speak with yourself. You can speak in front of mirror. You can record yourself, and then you can watch your videos. That okay, and these are the best things that we are learning from here that okay how we can improve ourselves. This is a skill so we can learn. And yeah, practice must, and consistency. If you will not practice every day, so you will not learn anything. So the another
yeah,
thing is
yeah,
that you have to be that zeal is must. If you have zeal for learning, so then definitely you will learn that thing.
yeah. You are right. Definitely, one person should have a keen interest on not only English. It is about it is about every skill.
Everything.
And yeah, if you without practice, you can't make it. Yeah, make your fortune. Right.
Yes, definitely. So, Tejvi, nice to talk to you because this is the time to I have to pick my kids from the school. So, nice to talk to you, and thank you for giving me your valuable time. And we'll meet
Yeah,
again
yeah,
and create another video.
yeah. Goodbye, ma'am. Have a good day. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, bye.